Hi everyone. If you've been looking to dive into graphic design and want to try out CorelDraw without spending a dime, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to download CorelDraw for free with their official trial version. CorelDraw is not just a design tool, it's a versatile powerhouse, perfect for creating logos, illustrations, and layouts. Whether you're a beginner testing the waters or a professional exploring new tools, this free trial is a gateway to a world of possibilities. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of CorelDraw. First, head over to the official CorelDraw website by clicking the link in the description of this video below. Once you're on the site, look for the option to start with the free trial. CorelDraw offers a 15-day trial that gives you full access to its features, so you can truly experience the software without any limitations. Make sure your computer meets the system requirements listed on the website before you proceed. Now, back to the CorelDraw page. Here, click on the option that says Try for Free. On the sign up page, you will have to create an account. To do that, you will have three options. Sign up with an email account or use your Facebook or Google account. In my case, I'll just use my Google account. Enter your first and last name, then click Continue. You will see a welcome screen where it says your 15-day trial has started. But here's something you need to consider. You cannot download the official CorelDraw desktop app with the free trial version. Instead, you'll be given access to the web version, where you can use most of its features. If you want to download the official CorelDraw app, you need to upgrade to the paid version first. During the trial, you have the power to explore CorelDraw's powerful tools for vector illustration, layout, photo editing, and typography. It's an excellent opportunity to test out its capabilities and see if it's the right fit for your design needs. While the trial is limited to 15 days, it's more than enough time to work on a few projects and familiarize yourself with the software. So let your creativity run wild. If you decide to continue, you can purchase a subscription, which gives you continuous access to the latest features and updates, or a one-time license, which provides a perpetual license for the current version. For now, enjoy the full experience for free and see how it enhances your creative projects. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to CompTechPedia for more tech tips and design tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching and happy designing! This guide helps you get started with CorelDraw. See you in the next video.